Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today I would like to share with all of you how to deal with openlearning.com in the sense of creating or developing your own course. First, you need to create your own account. Okay, you can click on sign up over here, right? And then you fill in all the particulars. Then once you have filled in all the particulars, you will be logged into the platform. Or if you have already created your account, you click on login here, right? I will key in my username and also my password. Okay, so it will bring you to this page. This is the front page of openlearning.com. Right, if you click on the courses here, and let's say you have not created any courses yet, you scroll down to the bottom of it, you can see a tab on create a course. Okay, so let's say you click on it, create a course. It will bring you to this page. Okay, you type the name of your course here, and please remember that the name can be changed, but the URL at the bottom here will remain. So let's say if you are going to create calculus course, okay, the name will appear like this. But in the future, if you want to change the name to calculus 1, the URL will remain as it is in previous part, which is calculus. Okay, so I'm not going to create any new course over here, but let's go to the course or one of the courses that I have created earlier. Right, this is actually a course that I have created for my own purpose, in the sense that, okay, whenever I'm going to do some training or will be giving some training, so this is the course that I will be using. Okay, so this is the landing page of what students are going to have once they have enrolled or joined the course offered by you. Okay, so on this page you can have several important information. Okay, let me have an example over here. So this is one of the courses being launched by UMP. Right, on this page or on this course, solar cell technology, or by the way, you can also join and enroll this course. Okay, it's already being published to public recently. Right, on this page, the SME or the subject matter expert, he has created this kind of information. So we have the words from the dean, some information about solar cell technology. Okay, so we are going to put some briefing or insight for the students of what they are going to have for the rest of the content in this course, such as learning activities, instructional videos, and so on. So over here we have the learning outcomes. So this is going to be based on the teaching plan that you have or the one that you used for the course that you are going to develop. Next, this is the subject matter expert. In this case, for this course, solar cell technology, there is only one subject matter expert. So some gallery, and we also have our Creative Commons signage over here. So in case the students or any other participants who would like to use the information over here, they can use the licensing being provided here. For example, by attribution, share alike, and non-commercial. Right, so how to upload the content here? It's very simple. You need to click on edit. It will bring you to this page. So the one that you have on the left will be the content. So let's say here I have uploaded a video, okay, And how to upload the video, you just, for example, I will click or remove this section. Okay, so meaning that it is totally new. I will remove this section as well. Okay, let's say I would like to have the video being uploaded or put it on top over here. So I just drag and drop here. Okay, as you can see, insert before this block. So it means that the video will appear before the notes over there. Right, this is the note. Right, I click on this icon. So you can put the title of the video. Alright, for example, Introduction to ABC. Right, you can choose two video sources. One is from URL. Let's say if you're going to take the video from YouTube and also Vimeo. Another option is to upload your own file. So let's say, for example, here I'm using Office Mix to record the screen of me giving a presentation on how to create your own course. You can also click on File Upload if you want to upload the file from your own repository. Okay, all right, this is how you're supposed to put it. Let's say URL over here. I click on another tab. I go to YouTube. Okay, let's say I want to search for Range Rover SVR. Okay, so I'm going to use the video and put it inside my lesson or course. So I just copy and paste the link. Okay, remember I click on URL from resource locator, so I just copy and paste the link over here. Okay, so I can choose to play the video automatically. Okay, loop playback, meaning that once you the video has finished being played, so it will play it back, or it is up to you where to start and where to end the video. For example, you can drag the information from here. So meaning that you want to start the video from 5 minutes or 47 seconds to 14 minutes to or 14 minutes 12 seconds. Let's say I want to stop at 11 minutes, so it will be like this. But in this case, I just put it from the beginning until the end. Okay, so custom thumbnail, it is up to you to do it. Okay, do not forget, when you have done with this part, always click on finish editing. Then you will have the video there. Okay, so the same goes when you are going to upload a note over here, right? So let's say a welcoming note for the students, or you want to put something, some introductory slides from PowerPoint to be put on the landing page of your course. So please convert the PowerPoint file to a PDF file first. Okay, because if you upload a PowerPoint file in the platform, it will not be displayed like this, but the students have to click on the link given there. Okay, so this is in PDF form. So when it is uploaded in PDF form, the notes will be like this. Okay, so this is how you can put in all the information on the landing page. Right, so let's go to the content. How to do or how to upload the contents in openlearning.com. Click on course setup. Okay, you go to content over here. It will bring you to this page. So this is like the guideline for you. Skip this part. Okay, so the module are here. Module 1, Introduction to ETFD, Itafakufiddin. So how to add in the module? Okay, so over here, for example, we have Introduction to ETFD, Module 2, Origin of ETFD, and then I would like to add another module, which is Module 3, and then it is going to be Application to ETFD. So I'm going to put it module 3, application of ETFD. So this is the latest module. Alright, if I want to change or edit the name of the module, I just click on edit here, and then I can do the editing part straight away. Don't forget to click done. Or let's say I want to edit on module 3, I forgot to put the semicolon, so I just put the semicolon and click done. Okay, in each of the module, you can have the sub-modules. Okay, so how to add the sub-modules? You click on add a page here. For example, application of ETFD module 3. So the first sub-module will be introduction. Just click like that. It will appear. Then I go to the next sub-module. Maybe I am going to use the word application. Let's say I want to have assessment or quiz in module 3. So I'm going to write module or quiz 1. Oh, I forgot to click enter. Yes, we have quiz 1. Okay, always remember that all the sub-modules name and also the module name should be different from each other. For example, in module 1, you want to have quiz. Module 2, you also want to have quiz, and the same goes to module 3. What you're supposed to do, you name it like in module 1, quiz 1, module 2, quiz 2, module 3, quiz 3. Because if you put all the names the same, the system will be having a problem to grab the information. So let's say you just put the name quiz, so it will be reading only information stated as quiz regardless of the module that it is in. So please remember that. So that is on how to create a module. So in the module or the sub module over here, for example, it is the same. I click on edit page. You can always change this. The same goes to the thumbnail over here. All right, you can change the thumbnail, and you can upload the content like the one that I showed you on the landing page. Okay, the same goes for the activities over here. So let's say you want the students to upload an image of anything. So you just drag and drop the widget, fill in the information, and then once you are done with it, don't forget to click save and close. So it will bring you back to this page. Okay, how many SME are you going to have in your course? So it depends on your course content. Okay, so let's say if you want to add in new admin, okay, for the course that you are developing, so you go to course setup, again the same thing, you go to advanced. All right, so over here we have the list of names of the administrator for this course. So you can just add in a new one by clicking add a new administrator, and then type the name of the SME or admin that you want to add them in. Remember, they must have an account with openlearning.com. Pre-enrollment visibility options, you can just click on anything that goes or applies to your course, and the rest is okay. So just click finish. Okay, done with that thing. Right, let's say you are going to have only certain people as teachers, the rest will be the administrator. You can do that in openlearning.com by clicking on the roles function over here. And the course setup, click on roles. So as you can see, the names over here, right? These are the names of the course admin, right? So you can give them or award them their own or specific task. For example, here to facilitate, to assess, and to design assessment. If you want them to only facilitate the learning process, you click on facilitate or facilitates, and then you do not click on the rest. Okay, but if you want to give them full access, meaning that they are the admin, and then at the same time they are going to be the teacher for this course, and you want them to have the full power for everything, to facilitate, to assess, and also to design the questions for the students. So you need to click everything over here. Once you have clicked all of the things over here, then you will be having this function. It is called assessment. If the name is not stated with assessment, okay, or you didn't give them or award them with the all the full power over here, then they won't be having this function on their page. All right, so this is on the development of the course in openlearning.com. Okay, all right, for general part over here, it is on the landing page. Okay, you can change the thumbnail of the course. This is how you can create classes. For example, you are going to have 2 classes every year. So for example, now is September 2017 semester. So I can write classes of September 2017. So when the cycle ends by February or by January, I'm going to create a new class under the name of class of February 2018, and from there I can see the students progress respectively. On the outcome is the course banner. Okay, so if you have a designer who can design a proper course banner, then you can ask them to help you with changing the course banner here. So here are all of the information. Just to share with you, whatever appear on the right hand side here will not be appear on the course content here. Okay, but if you want them to appear in the course content, you just need to drag and drop it here. For example, so you can see home announcement, learning materials, and gallery. Then you will have the same over here. Again, I don't want to have gallery to be displayed to the student. So I just drag and drop gallery and put it over here, and then you can see no gallery appears. Okay then. All right. So I believe this is some of the most important information that you need to know on how to develop your own course in openlearning.com. Should there be any problem or you need more clarification or you need assistance and help, just let me know, and you have my contact number. Thank you very much, guys. See you again. Assalamualaikum.